What's this?
Hey, yo, why'd you take your dad's truck? That's like overkill.
Oh yeah, because I didn't want to take my bike apart.
Okay, that makes sense, Eric. Oh, by the way, what is this hanging here?
Oh snap! Is that my new FRT?
Nab, does that mean that you're sponsored now?
Oh snap!
Check it, yo.
I guess my bike riding skills must be pretty good, even though like I almost lost it.
Nab, yo, that's like the trailer that's the teaser from the last show, yo. Will Eric make it back? Like all the audience is like wondering what's gonna happen in the next episode of Ice Road Mountain Bikers,
Oh
right?
yeah.
Gay, yo, try that situation on so that way, like if it doesn't fit, so we just return it, yo. Right? What do you think about this sponsorship, yo? Right? Oh, Nab, this is legit. Oh, Nab. Oh, we don't worry about that, yo. That knuckle must be on a payment plan,
Oh,
right? What do you think about that situation? Right? What do you think about that, yeah? Hello, like YouTube only allows like. Okay, turn around the other side, yo. You wanna see the back side, yo? See how that situation is? Nap, yo. If I was to get me one, I wouldn't get me white. Right? Right? Yeah, yo.
mud already.
Eric's birthday today. How old are you, yo?
22.
When you grow up, what do you want to be?
Ice cream.
Yo, you're supposed to go to Ice Cream Man College, yo. What's the situation on that?
Yeah.
Right? Alright, yo, we over here at Urban Canyon Park, about to take this mountain bike trail. Gonna be 12 miles, a lot of uphill, and we're gonna see about taking on this situation, yo. And we show you what it's like to go mountain biking on this trail on Eric's birthday.
Oh yeah, yo.
Alright, Bob, let's do this shit! Alright, here's the first obstacle, the entrance to the trail. You gotta cross this Nuka River. Keep on going, yo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's how you do that situation. Leave! Alright, yo. About 2 miles into this Nuka bike ride trip. All uphill so far. And this is our view. Nice mobile home park with a bunch of clouds. And we saw 2 Papa homes.
Oh yeah.
Right? So what do you think about this trail, yo?
Yeah, all I gotta say is like, welcome to my world. The world of Rockstar, sugar free.
Nap, yo. Put that on a commercial.
Oh.
Right? Yo. Leave! Yeah. So gay. Where's my GoPro? Oh, this is a lot harder than it looks. Yeah, yo, that's about 9.5 miles. What do you think about that situation?
Oh yeah.
Good, you good, good?
Yeah, you good? Good.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. What's next, yo? What's next? Who's up for some buffalo wing at Pizza Hut?
Oh yeah.
Right? What do you think?
Way to let Uncle Ron with his bum legs still handle the situation.
Oh, nah, yo. What do you think about that injury right there, yo? What do you think about that injury, yo?
Yeah, it's some injury.
Yes, because your Uncle Ron knows how to do his own physical therapy, yo. Right? 9 miles on that physical therapy situation.